Welcome to AI Conspiracy Exposed, the channel where we question the systems shaping our future. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. These terms are everywhere: news headlines, classrooms, job ads, and social media. But let's be honest, most people use them interchangeably without really knowing what they mean. So today, we're clearing the confusion once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll understand what each term actually means, how they're connected, and why this technology is reshaping everything, from education to careers, creativity, and daily life. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Let's start with the big umbrella, artificial intelligence, or AI. At its core, AI refers to machines or software systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. That includes understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, solving problems, and even learning from experience. It's important to clear up one common myth right away. AI doesn't mean consciousness, emotions, or independent thinking. Instead, it means a system can analyze data, follow logic, and produce outcomes that appear intelligent. In fact, you're already using AI every single day. Voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, recommendation systems on YouTube or Netflix, email spam filters, and navigation apps that predict traffic are all powered by AI. So remember this key idea. AI is the goal. It's about making machines behave intelligently. Machine learning, how AI learns. Now comes the most important distinction. Machine learning is not separate from AI, it's a subset of it. Machine learning is how many AI systems actually work. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, machine learning systems learn patterns from data. For example, instead of coding every possible email spam rule, you feed a machine learning model thousands of emails labeled spam or not spam. Over time, it learns the patterns itself. This is why machine learning improves with more data. It learns, adapts, and gets better. Deep learning, the brain-inspired engine. Now let's go deeper, literally. Deep learning is a specialized type of machine learning inspired by the structure of the human brain. It uses something called artificial neural networks, which are layers of connected nodes that process information step by step. The word deep simply means many layers. The more layers, the more complex patterns the system can recognize. Deep learning is the engine behind many of today's most impressive AI breakthroughs. It powers facial recognition systems that can identify individuals in photos and videos, speech recognition technology that allows machines to understand and respond to human language, and advanced medical image analysis that helps doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. Deep learning is also a critical component of self-driving car perception, enabling vehicles to recognize roads, pedestrians, traffic signs, and obstacles in real time. These applications show just how powerful deep learning becomes when it combines large amounts of data with multi-layered neural networks. Why deep learning changed everything? Before deep learning, AI systems struggled with complex tasks like understanding speech or recognizing images accurately. This is why AI progress has accelerated so rapidly in the last decade. The combination of big data, powerful computing, and deep learning algorithms unlocked capabilities that once seemed impossible. Enter generative AI. Now we arrive at the term everyone is talking about, generative AI. Unlike traditional AI systems that only analyze or classify data, generative AI goes a step further. It actually creates new content. This can include text, images, music, computer code, and even videos. Instead of simply recognizing patterns, generative AI learns how data is structured, how elements relate to one another, and then produces original outputs that closely resemble what it learned from. This ability to generate content is what makes generative AI such a powerful and disruptive technology across creativity, education, and industry. How generative AI works, in simple terms. Generative AI models are usually built on deep learning architectures trained on massive data sets. Why people confuse these terms? The confusion around these terms happens because they're actually nested inside each other. Think of it like this. Artificial intelligence is the universe. It's the broad goal of making machines behave intelligently. Within that universe, machine learning is a planet, providing the methods that allow AI systems to learn from data. Inside that planet, deep learning is a city, powering the most advanced capabilities through neural networks. And within that city sits generative AI, a powerful building capable of creating entirely new content. Real-world applications you use every day. AI isn't something coming in the future. It's already embedded in daily life. Machine learning systems recommend what you watch, buy, and read. Deep learning enables face unlock on your phone and real-time translation. Generative AI helps write emails, summarize documents, create designs, and even assist with coding. From healthcare and finance to education and entertainment, these technologies are working quietly behind the scenes, making systems faster, smarter, and more efficient. What AI can't do and why humans still matter. Despite its impressive capabilities, artificial intelligence has very real limitations. AI does not understand emotions the way humans do. It doesn't possess consciousness or intent, and it cannot create meaning, values, or moral judgment. At its core, AI predicts patterns based on data. It doesn't truly know or understand anything. That's why human oversight remains essential, especially in high-stakes areas like education, healthcare, law, and governance, where decisions carry ethical, emotional, and societal consequences. Ethical concerns and responsible use. With great power comes responsibility, and artificial intelligence is no exception. As AI becomes more influential, it raises serious ethical questions around bias in data, in decision-making, privacy and surveillance, the spread of misinformation and deepfakes, and misuse in academic or professional settings. These risks don't mean AI should be rejected, but they do mean it must be used responsibly. Responsible AI use requires transparency in how systems operate, consistent human oversight, clear ethical guidelines, and strong digital literacy, so users understand both the capabilities and limits of the technology. Skills humans need in an AI world. As AI increasingly takes over routine and repetitive tasks, human value begins to shift towards skills machines can't replace. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and the ability to frame meaningful problems become more important than ever. The future won't belong to those who try to compete with AI, but to those who understand how to work alongside it, guiding technology with human insight, values, and purpose. Learning AI without being a programmer. You don't need to be a computer scientist to understand or benefit from artificial intelligence. Anyone can learn how AI tools work at a basic level, use them responsibly in study or work, question and verify their outputs, and develop strong AI literacy. In fact, understanding the core concepts behind AI is often far more important than knowing how to write code. What matters most is knowing when to trust AI, when to challenge it, and how to use it wisely. So let's bring it all together. Artificial intelligence is the goal. Machine learning is how AI learns. Deep learning is the engine that powers modern breakthroughs. And generative AI is the creative force changing how we write, design, and build. AI isn't magic, and it isn't the enemy. It's a tool. And like any tool, its impact depends on how we choose to use it. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone confused by AI buzzwords.